Good morning, Atlas. Diane speaking. How can I help you?
Qualified as an osteopath in 2000 and wanted to set up a musculoskeletal pain relief clinic because I felt that there was a lack of expertise in this particular area within the NHS, and they wasn't really dealing with the problems that people were wanting. I wanted patients to have a choice, to be able to select really the appropriate treatment and be advised by different practitioners. So I was trying to get a one-stop shop for healthcare, basically, treating anybody at any time. It's nice and relaxed for me. Place my hand underneath.
I've been suffering lower back pain for probably about 8-9 years now. And I'd tried quite a few people before sort of stumbled on John, and it turned out to be, one of my best findings really. So, and with some things I can come in and I can have treatment and I find I have instant relief.
I had a slight car accident and ended up with what I can only describe as a frozen shoulder and very, very unusable arm. 3 treatments and I started to feel better, and I was sold then.
I had a problem because I tend to do a reasonable amount of running, probably a little bit more than I did when I was actually doing my goalkeeping training. I was picking up 1 or 2 calf injuries on a regular basis, and that was getting annoying. But I must admit, with John, I've had some very good physios, but John is up there with them. I think he's impressed me greatly with his knowledge and his professionalism.
I had a lot of pain around my pelvis area, and I did ask the doctor if some physiotherapy would help me, but he didn't think it would. But it was proved wrong. After a few treatments, I slowly improved. I can go up the stairs and I can garden, which is my hobby, and I'm very pleased.
What tends to happen is...
I think with GPs, they're very helpful, but they're trying to sort of deal with all general problems, and you can't be specialist in all them fields, and I think, it's up to you to try and find the best person to help you with your condition.
I go to GPs if I think there's something they can do for me. But having had the experience in the first instance of them not doing anything about my shoulder, and coming here, and I wouldn't say it was a cure, because I still get it, but they are able to help me get back to normal.
I think GPs are very good at what they do, but I mean, having been in professional sport, you realise that what a good massage is or a good stretch is. John has actually given me some stretches that I've never used before in my career, and they've worked really well.
Perfect.
I certainly would recommend Atlas. They're very professional, and all the treatments I've had have been top class, really.
I recommend it to all my friends in my age group that I know have got, problems, and I recommend everyone to come to Atlas.
I have recommended Atlas. My daughter's actually undergoing treatment at the moment, and my husband's been. His back went a couple of years ago. 3 or 4 treatments and he was on the mend.
I think they're really great. I think from the reception through to the staff, no matter who you see, they know what they're talking about. I think it's very important to find somebody that you trust, and I think here I seriously do.